According to OSHA, employers should take steps to protect fully vaccinated and unvaccinated workers against COVID-19 in the wake of the Delta variant spread. Let's get the details in this week's NASP Safety News Break. Preliminary evidence that fully vaccinated people can spread the Delta variant prompted the CDC's and OSHA's recent guidance. OSHA now recommends fully vaccinated workers in areas of substantial or high community transmission wear masks to protect unvaccinated workers and to reduce their risk of becoming infected themselves. OSHA now also supports other CDC guidance, including choosing to wear a mask regardless of transmission level, particularly if people are at risk or have someone in their household who is at increased risk of severe disease or isn't fully vaccinated. In addition, OSHA recommends getting tested 3 to 5 days after a known exposure to someone with COVID-19 and wearing a mask in public indoor settings for 14 days after exposure or until a negative test result. OSHA has also clarified that employers should take additional steps to mitigate the spread of COVID-19 among unvaccinated and other at-risk workers due to close contact or duration of contact. OSHA also states that employers should be aware of their workplace where unvaccinated and other at-risk workers may be exposed to the virus through respiratory particles in the air, such as in confined or poorly ventilated spaces, and also look at other risk factors like employer-provided ride-sharing, frequent contact with others in community settings, and communal housing. OSHA considers manufacturing like meat, seafood and poultry processing, high-volume retail and grocery, and agricultural processing settings as among those places where workers may be a higher risk. In all other workplaces with heightened risk due to workplace environmental factors where there are unvaccinated or otherwise at-risk workers in the workplace, employers should stagger break times or provide temporary break areas and restrooms to avoid groups of unvaccinated or otherwise at-risk workers congregating during breaks. Such workers should maintain at least 6 feet of distance from others at all times, including on breaks. They can also stagger workers' arrival and departure times to avoid groups of unvaccinated or otherwise at-risk workers in parking areas, locker rooms, and near time clocks. Other best management practices include providing visual cues like floor markings and signs as a reminder to maintain physical distancing, and of course, require unvaccinated or otherwise at-risk workers and also fully vaccinated workers in areas of substantial or high community transmission to wear masks whenever possible, as well as encouraging or requiring customers and other visitors do the same. For more information on the latest on COVID, visit OSHA's website at www.osha.gov. Let us know what you think about these new COVID guidelines in the comments section, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons so you don't miss the next NASP Safety News Break.